Hi friends, this is the page we're going to use today, and like we did the other day, I'm going to pick a column. Rows go this way, columns go this way. Remember that from our data and graphing lessons. I'm going to pick a column, and I'm going to pick just the ones at the end here on this side right here on the right side. And then I'm going to use this template to help with putting our pennies together so we have our counters. This has the vertical and the horizontal ones. And all of these are adding to 4, 5, or 6. So that's the practice at the top. It says adding to 4, 5, and 6, practice. I'll do these, but then these ones you can do on your own at some point. Okay, ready? I'm going to move my things over here. And I think I'm going to change this. Just made a change in my brain. I'm going to show you this today, and then your choice on whether you continue with this or this could be tomorrow's work. Just because tomorrow will be Friday, we'll make it a little bit lighter. I'm just going to show this one today. I won't show a video tomorrow, and then you can do this as your tomorrow work, or you can just use it as extra work and practice, just so you have a little bit of a lighter work schedule. Okay, we'll work on this together now. Fix some things here. My cord. Okay. So I'm looking at this first one. 3 plus 1. Going back to tracing again. 3 plus 1. Remember this one, the purple is like the equal sign. Now I'm going to move my pennies over here. So I'm going to put 3 pennies at the top for 3 plus 1. And I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to count twice. Did you get 4 like I did? Okay, then we'll come on over here and we'll write that number here. Let's read it. 3 plus 1 equals 4. And that deserves a teacher red check. And remember, we're going to look at these next numerals. 4 plus 2 equals, and let's do some tracing here. 4, they use that other kind of 4 on this page, plus 2 equals. And let's move our pennies over here and check that now. I'm putting 4 pennies at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm putting 2 pennies at the bottom hand. 4 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6. Let's check. Let's write that numeral over here. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Let's read it. 4 plus 2 equals 6. And put a teacher red check right there. Let's take a look at the next one, which is still a vertical one. Hiding that part. 4 plus 0. Let's do some tracing. I'm going to make the other 4 that I know how to make better. 4 plus 0 equals, and let's put this right here. I need 4 pennies at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 0. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many did you get? 4. That's what I got. And we remember that 0 plus any number, it stays being that number or numeral. I'm going to put a teacher red check there. 4 plus 0 equals 4. Okay, nicely done. Now, that was the vertical ones. Now let's check the horizontal ones. 3 plus 1 equals. Let's trace that. 3 plus 1 equals. I'm moving my pennies over here to check again. I have my pennies here. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 1. I'm going to put 1 over here. Let's check our counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 equals, let's write the numeral 4. And we check that twice, so we can put a teacher red check right there. Nicely done. Let's check the next one. 1 plus 3 equals. Trace our numerals. 1 plus 3 equals. I'm putting my pennies in place, and hopefully you're doing the same thing too. 1 penny at the top. Then I'm putting 1, 2, 3 pennies in the other hand. 1 penny plus 3 pennies equals how many? 1. Count again. Please write the number that you got right over here. And did you get that number too? 3 plus 1 equals 4, and 1 plus 3 equals 4. That math has a special name called commutative. Let's put that in our brain 3 times. Commutative, 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 and press it so it sticks. It means we can switch these two numerals, and as long as it's the same two numerals but just in a different order, it yields the same answer. 3 plus 1 equals 4, and 1 plus 3 equals 4. We'll talk about that idea again later. Okay, last one on the page for today is this one right here. 3 plus 3 equals. Let's trace the 3 in purple punctuation, and trace our 3 in purple punctuation or purple math symbol. I use purple for punctuation and for math symbols. And now let's move over here. I'm going to put 3 in the top hand, because that's for the first 3. And then I'm going to put 3 in the bottom hand. That's for the second 3. And now let's do some checking. And count again. How many did you get? Okay, let's write that numeral right over here. And let's read it. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And red check, teacher red. Nicely done. I'm going to change my mind again. Let's do this page again for this part for tomorrow, and then this part can be your extra as you choose to. Okay, work well.